That's not gonna work.
Yes, it is. Why, are you gonna heat it up?
Yeah.
Are we gonna just put this on MySpace, or are we gonna put it on YouTube too?
Both.
Oh, that's pretty cool. What are we gonna name it though?
This is the process to make Abelski rice. See?
And a soda.
Okay.
Are you gonna just let this in all batteries?
Is it on?
Did I leave that on?
No idea.
Oh.
This is
Go plug it in.
you left it on. Is that on?
That's what you said, Jonathan.
Okay. Anyway, first thing we need is this out of the way. And 2 cups of flour. Yes, 2.
Oh, that's not sugar.
The sugar's over there.
Oh. Don't spill it, don't spill it, don't spill it.
That's right. I thought I was getting a butter knife.
That's not a butter knife, is it?
No, it isn't. No.
Why do you tap it?
So it spills up on the hose. And then we get rid of the flour. Bye-bye, flour. I had to do that. Okay.
Not broken or anything, is it?
No.
Okay, good.
Now we need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay. One, 2. Now put the lid on. And I will drop it like that, but it probably go all over the place. So, done. Now I need a teaspoon of salt. Get some real stuff.
I'm trying to keep your head in between those 4 little, like, things in that square. And it's very hard, because your head's a lot bigger than it right now.
I'm gonna. Okay, there we go. 1 teaspoon of salt. Other salt. And now we need to separate eggs.
I can separate eggs really good.
Right?
Yeah.
I've never done it, actually.
Wait, do we need the yolk or not?
Both.
That's separated. I can do that.
Okay, we will have our magician over here to separate 4 egg yolks. Eggs.
Where do I put the whites and where do I put the
Yolk, white. Actually, I need to stir this first because it's
I'm about to come.
Hey, we can do this one.
Whoa! Look at this sexy brush. Whoa!
I love it.
What? Yeah, that's really big.
Yeah, it is. Okay, let me see if I can find a small one.
No, it's okay. I can't wait till like this be like.
Okay, now you can separate the egg yolk.
Okay.
So, yolk, white. Okay. I really suck at this.
You do it.
Yes, actually I've never really done
I've only done this once.
Oh, okay. Well, you're really good at it. Oh, I thought you just dropped the yolk.
I keep that on.
Yeah, sure. 1, here, folks.
We should. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Wait. Yes. This is what you do in a time of need.
Drop off.
Oh, yum. That was just delicious. I'm just going to eat that every day. I pretty much do.
Like raw.
No, that would be friggin' nasty. Two.
Little late on that turn on.
Whatever. I was looking at the instructions.
So what would happen if I dropped the yolk in there?
I'd cry. And we would have no more baby-skeevers.
But they're gonna get mixed anyways.
Yeah. It's too simple, guys. Okay. Now quick, dump it in. No! Ooh, that was a close one. Is there egg white in there?
No.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, I just scared the crap out of you, didn't I?
Yeah, I was like,
See that little yellow spot right in there? Here, I'll zoom in. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. I won't zoom in. Here. Yes, she freaked out about that. This is our last, but not least, egg. Hopefully she doesn't screw up on this one.
Drop it.
Ah! Woo! That was nice.
Okay, let's
Isn't
get
that
like another like drop.
Isn't that like really yummy? Don't you want to eat those? Don't do it! Don't do it!
You should let me mix it now.
No, you shouldn't mix it yet.
Why?
Especially not like that. Okay, yes, I do. Okay. Oh, okay. I was like, Watch out for the... Oh my god. Okay, I'll set those aside for later. Where'd my big mixer
Hey, look,
go?
it's milk. When did you get that out?
A while ago.
Oh.
Okay, here's a cup of milk.
Looks like somebody peed in the snow. It does. Like the white is the snow and the yellow.
Praise the just the
Except that's really thick pee.
Yeah, really thick. No, should we put 1 cup or 2 cup in?
I know. We should put.
Start one.
Yeah.
Okay. The recipe says to put 1 to 2 cups of milk in, but my dear mother was cruel enough to not tell me which one it is. So you're going to do 1.
You poured it in.
Yeah? I'm supposed to. Oh, really? Fine. That's what you do with ingredients. And then I got a handy dandy spoon. Because I'm better at stirring with spoons.
You are really.
Especially with chocolate. Can you stir with something like that? I don't think so.
Well, you can if. Yeah, you really can't.
I think we need more milk.
Yep.
Pour in like a half a cup. Stop! I've never made these by myself before.
Never?
Never. So I don't know what this is supposed to look like. Is it supposed to look like that?
I don't know. I've never even heard of them, so.
Well, hopefully... I don't know. Hopefully it comes out right.